Hello and welcome to Wonder. I'm glad you've joined me to learn about Wonder using our Quick Start tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a student profile, which enables you to customize the student learning experience by adapting lessons to student accommodations and aligning instruction to their IEP goals. Let's get started. First, let's log into Wonder. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. You can reset it by clicking Forgot Password. This will send a link to your email that will allow you to reset the password. Check your spam folder if you don't see the link in your email. As you learned from the Navigating Wonder video, the landing page when you log into Wonder is the Lessons page. To the left of the Wonder logo, you see 3 horizontal lines. Click on these lines to reveal a drop-down menu of the pages in Wonder. Select the Students page. You'll see the students who have been assigned to you. These are the students for whom you'll create lessons. Selecting a student will bring you to her profile page. On this page, you will see a ribbon of tabs. The profile page is where we input information that customizes each student's interaction with Wonder. Biographical information is listed on the left. On the right are accommodations. Select the pencil to add accommodations. When students complete lessons you create, some of these accommodations are available to them. The box below the accommodations is for completing each student's present level of performance. You can find this information on the student IEP. Next, indicate whether or not each student will receive alternative assessments in ELA or mathematics. Lessons. The next tab on the student page is the Lessons tab. Clicking on this tab shows you all of the lessons that have been assigned to the student. You have the option to view academic lessons you've assigned to the student or functional lessons. The Creating Content video explains how to create Wonder lessons. Goals. The next tab is the Goals tab. This is where you input IEP goals for each student. If you are inputting academic goals, click on the plus sign and add the goal. Enter the mastery level and mastery date. To add a functional goal, select the plus sign and choose a domain and a subdomain from the drop-down menus. The next screen will prompt you to select a goal from the choices provided or create a goal using the template. Finally, name the goal, describe it, and enter how students will demonstrate mastery of the goal. Vocabulary. This is where you can personalize vocabulary boards that students can access to communicate when they complete lessons in Wonder. Vocabulary boards consist of buttons and folders. Each button has a word and a corresponding picture. To add a button to a vocabulary card, select the Add button, type a vocabulary word, and select the word and image you'd like to appear on the button. Folders are collections of related words. The folder buttons have a tab on the top left side to distinguish them from word buttons. You can create a folder by selecting the Add Folder icon. Let's take a look at a vocabulary folder. When I select the Food folder for Allison Burke and select Breakfast, each button in the folder features vocabulary related to breakfast. Locations. The Locations tab is used to customize where you would like student lessons to be accessed and completed. It is GPS enabled, which makes it possible to enter any address. Students can access lessons from home, school, work, or any location you designate. I'll demonstrate. If I type in the address where Allison works, a dialog box appears. I'll enter the name of her workplace, select Work from the drop-down menu, and save. Now Allison can access Wonder lessons assigned to her from her place of work. Dashboard. The student dashboard shows student progress towards the academic and functional goals that you entered on the goals page. The dashboard displays progress, a usage overview, and shows progress towards mastery of academic and functional goals. Raw data is also reflected, and reports can be generated to show progress for specific time periods. Let's summarize what we've learned. The Students page is where you can find students assigned to you in Wonder. There are 6 tabs on the Student page. The Student Profile page is where you create student profiles and add student accommodations. The Lessons page is where you see any lessons you've assigned to that student. The Goals page is where you create academic and functional goals that are tracked in Wonder. The vocabulary boards are personalized for each student and provide support for student communication and vocabulary development. The Locations page allows you to determine where students will access and complete Wonder lessons. The Dashboard is where you view student data and track progress towards academic and functional goals. You can also generate reports from the student dashboard. When the tutorial ends, try these activities. First, complete a student profile. Next, create a vocabulary board for the student. Finally, use the Locations tab to input a place that a student can complete a Wonder lesson outside of school. If you have any questions, you can access the Wonder Support Center at wonder.com or call 646-278-9959. Thank you for joining us.